Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit page name on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Facebook if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let me just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch the Facebook application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial. So here, as we said, we would like to edit a page name. So for me, I still yet don't have any page, so let me just go and create one real quick. So how can I do that? It's simply by clicking at the three lines at the top right corner, then click at pages here, then click at create page. Of course, get started. Page name for you, of course, you already have like just test here, test, next, search for categories. So let's say as an example like grocery store, create. Something went wrong, please try again. So let me just go and try to fix this problem, I guess, and I'm coming back. So I'm actually finding trouble trying to create a page. So let me just go to like one page, and I'm going to try to show you how you can actually edit the page name. So let me just go here to search and like type memes again. Of course, go search for that. Then let's see if we have here pages. So yeah, let's just go to any page. So let's say as an example, that's your page. So if that's your page, actually, in the top right corner of Facebook, just tap pages as we said recently, and select your page that you want to edit the name. So under the page name, so like this under the memes, tap edit page. So of course, if it's your page, you will have the option of edit page. So tap inside the name text box or text box. Of course, you will find the name of the current page. If you want to change this, just go and click on that, delete the name, and rewrite another one. So then you would like to update your page name, then tap at continue and tap request change, and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.